Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to sign up for Bitcoin IRA. We will also put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up. Once you click on the link, you will be directed to this page. Here, you will see an option for Open Account. Click on Open Account. On the pop-up window, enter your first name, last name, phone number, as well as the email and password you wish to use. After entering, click on the tick box to give consent to Bitcoin IRA. Then click on Open Account. For account security, a code will be sent to the phone number you provided. To proceed, click on Send Code. Once you receive the code, enter it. Then click on Submit. And now your account has been created. To fully complete the application, click on the button that says Start My Account. First, select how you wish to fund your account. In this video, we selected cash contribution. After selecting, enter all the required information. Next, enter your address, date of birth, and your SSN or Social Security number. Also, select your marital status. Then click on Save and Continue. After that, read all the disclosures. Once read, click on the tick boxes to confirm. Also, enter your first name and last name for signature. Then click on Submit. Now, for account verification you need to confirm your identity by uploading the front and back part of your ID. Once uploaded, click on the button that says Continue to Link Bank Account. To add funds, you need to link first your bank account. Click on the Link Bank Account button. On the pop-up window, you will see a Get Started button. Click on Get Started. First, select a bank. Before you proceed, read the information shown here. Then click on Continue. Now, sign into your selected bank. Again, read the important notice. Then click on Next. Here, read the disclosures. Then click on Next. Lastly, select which account you wish to link. Then click on Connect My Account. Now your bank account has been linked. To proceed, click on Continue. Once your bank account has been linked, read and review the transfer details. If everything looks good, click on Confirm. That's how you sign up for Bitcoin IRA. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.